Hello friends, this is another question from the NCERT that show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5 where q is some integer. Now for the students this question seems to be like what it is saying and how to prove it. But let me tell you friends, it is very easy to prove. Just read it line by line. What is said? Show that any positive odd integer. That means you have to consider first any positive odd integer, right? Underline the word positive odd integer. So let that positive odd integer be a. Let a be that positive odd integer. We are simply considering nothing else. Odd integer. Okay, we have considered a to be that positive odd integer. Now we have to show that a, which is positive odd integer, can be written in this form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. So for proving this we have to take help of something, and as we know this is nothing but problem based on Euclid division lemma. So just write down your Euclid division lemma, which is a is equal to bq plus r, where r is greater than equal to 0 but less than b. So for proving this problem as per the question, what is beneficial or what is suitable for us? Suitable for us is to assume b as 6. See, if a is any positive odd integer, we can choose b as 6 also, because then only we will be able to prove. As here if we compare this 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5 expression with Euclid division lemma, 6q plus r something, right? So in the place of b we need to substitute 6. So this gives us an idea that b has to be assumed as 6. So let b is equal to 6. So if b is 6, what r could be? What could be the possible values for r if b is 6? Here we can clearly see that condition on r is greater than equal to 0 but less than b. R could be 0 also, but it has to be less than b, and here we have considered b as 6. Therefore the possible values for r as per 6 will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, isn't it? Now let's substitute the values of b and r in our equation. So a is b is 6, so 6q plus r. Now as we have these many different values for r, now we will put each one of them one by one in this expression. So a is equal to 6q plus r if r is 0, so only this will be the expression. Now if we choose r to be 1, so this will be a is equal to 6q plus 1. This is my second equation. Or it could be 6q plus 2, because second value for r can be taken as 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. So successively if we keep on writing it, we will get a is equal to 6q plus 3, then a is equal to 6q plus 4, and then a is equal to 6q plus 5, isn't it? So these are the different equations we have got. But when you see some of the equations clearly, like equation 1, equation 3, equation 5 and equation that's it, equation 1, 3 and 5, if you see, this is nothing but the multiple of 2, right? Again this is nothing but, again we can take out 2 common, 3q plus 1. Again here also we can take out 2 common, 3q plus 2. And what it shows, multiple of 2 is an even number, right? So these three are even numbers, so we have to neglect these three cases, 1, 3 and 5, and our focus has to be on this that the positive odd integer. Because why are we neglecting these three cases? Because what we have assumed a as, we have assumed a as a positive odd integer. If we choose these three possibilities or these three cases, our a will become an even integer, which is contradiction to our assumption that a is a positive odd integer. So we will neglect these three cases because we have already assumed a as positive odd integer. So we will write neglect it as a is positive odd integer. Give reason, why are you neglecting it? A is positive odd integer, so we have neglected these three cases. 6q plus 2 and 6q plus 4. These three cases we have neglected, and the left out equations are equation this, and this. And this is what we had to prove in the question, that any positive odd integer can be written in the form of 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. So this is how it is to be proved. I hope the steps are clear. We did nothing, we simply assumed a as a positive odd integer and written the Euclid division lemma, assumed b as 6. We got hint of it from the question itself, bq plus r. Here in the place of b we can assume 6, and for corresponding to 6 the possible values for r we can take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and then simply substitute all the values in the Euclid division lemma. 6q plus r, so if I put r is equal to 0, it is only 6q. If r is 1, 6q plus 1, 6q plus 2, 6q plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. And as we can see, this is even, this is even, this is even, so we will neglect it because a is a positive odd integer, and the left out equations or the expression for a are 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5. So this is how we have to prove that any positive odd integer is of this form. That's it. Thank you.